Hello and good day, friends. Welcome to my torture chamber. Today I will tell you a tale of a flubber flinger and his fate. It was a warm and cool morning when I encountered the flinger, also known as the sweaty dweeb. Just walking along, I saw him coming my way, and I'm like, okay, it's okay. It's just another dweeb. But just as we passed, he let one fly from the flubber factory, straight into his sweaty palm. Disgusting. Obviously, I couldn't just let this slide, so I whipped around and grabbed him. I said, hey, we don't do that in cultured society. That shit is gross. It's time to get woke. He rips his arm away, and I just plant a solid kick right in his chest. Knock him out cold. No problem. Then I drag that nerd back to the wisdom chamber for his own good. There I bound him to the throne of knowledge, where he awoke several hours later in a daze. Immediately I berated him. I told him that shit's disgusting, and he's a dumbass for thinking otherwise. Bent-ass dork. Still, he seemed confused, so I gave him some examples. Example number 1. Imagine yourself at the store, ready to pay for your shit. Then you just blast one right into your hand. Oh, but you haven't used the pin pad yet? And now everyone hates you, because that shit is gross. Example number 2. Your friend asks to borrow a pen from you, and you're like, oh, sure. Let me get that for you. Example number 3. You see some kid walking your way, and you feel a sneeze coming on. I don't know, you're probably allergic to kids or gluten or some BS. Then you sneeze. Also, you hate kids, so what do as the kid walks by? Smack! And then you run, because you're a dick. And after this beration, once I've broken through his dwindling resolve, I know now is the time to introduce him to the legendary dab sneeze. I inform him this is the true way to stay courteous, disregarding his former deplorable practice employed by patrons of poor society. It is this which is the key to stay trendy, I showed him. He sat there in disbelief, having no idea how he'd erred so wrong for so long. Even through his exhaustion, I could see the woke rising in his eyes. Seeing that the lesson had taken hold, I unbound him from the throne of knowledge, and he bounded out of the room into the streets to spread the good word of the dab sneeze and the dirts. Mission accomplished. And now I'm all out of juice, which means we're out of time. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Even comment if you feel so inclined. Let me know what you think about this. And if you didn't enjoy this video, like and subscribe anyways. I'll be sure to keep putting out crappy content. Until next time, peace and stay woke.